One of my favorite videos of the ones I've made so far, going through it. It's got a lot of great memories, lots of cliff jumping and tubing, different spots we went, adventures, the fires we had, the friends you made, a snapping turtle. Right when we start, Ronald, there's a snapping turtle right underneath the boat. You and George, I'm teaching you guys how to paddle your boat. Got you some inflatable boats, and there's a snapping turtle right under. I never saw it until I watched the video after, because I do watch all the videos I make of you guys. And it's got our speedy boats in here. What else does it have? A lot of cottage stuff, a lot of cool stuff, guys. You'll enjoy this one. Georgia, watch my hand motion, okay?
I'm trying to turn around.
Hey, Georgie, jumping off the 8-foot jump. Awesome.
Oh, do I want to see me do a dive?
Yeah. Ronald catching some fish.
Ron, please, can you move your rod? There's one there. Daddy, Ronald's rod is there. It looks like
Come on, Ronald, reel it in. Ah, you know your sister was going there.
there's a fish back there.
Lots of places to fish. You don't have to fish where she swims. Here goes Daddy. Gonna make a big splash. Gonna make big splashes. There goes the big splash. Ready?
Go, Daddy. That was Big Daddy.
Good little doggies for me? Cool. I'll put them in my pocket.
But don't lose them, alright?
Maybe. Yeah, don't press any buttons though.
Whoa! I'm coming on too. Everybody's going on. What? Whoa! Whoa! Don't let me get on.
My new boat, White Lightning. Maple bacon. Maple, what are you doing? That's it there, you see it. Get your bone, get your bone. I can't picture video of Ronald coming down. Ronald jumping. Hey, Ronald! You touched the bottom? I don't think so.
Going with that beat.
Oh!
I don't know if I got any of that.
Did you get it?
I think so. Okay, go ahead.
Well, if you want, then maybe next time we will.
Hey! We're playing R2.
Get it in that fire on top, Georgia.
Whenever the flames went around,
Don't put it... Yeah, that's... No, not so close. You're going to hit the stick again.
My arms got... Look at my face.
Let me look at your face so I can remember it. What's the matter, red?
Yeah, look at it.
Did you put sunscreen on?
Yeah.
Huh? We all put sunscreen on.
Oh, but you have to wait like 1.5 hours before you go swimming.
Getting pretty high up there now, man. Gonna have to call the fire department to get you down. Oi! You're trying to, Georgia? Look how George is holding them, Ronald. You're sitting the wrong side now. Okay.
I'm gonna try it this way.
Your paddles are facing the wrong way now.
How are they?
Well, it depends which way you want to go.
This way?
Which way do you want to go? That way?
Forward.
Okay, now look how that one's facing. All right? That's good. No, that's bad. That's good. Now make the other one look the same. Yeah. But Ronald, you gotta do like this. Like this.
I used to be better at it.
I don't know.
But since you're the pop,
There you go. Like that. There you go. There you go. There you go.
Daddy, I'm struggling here.
Georgia, watch my hand motion, okay?
I'm trying to turn around.
Okay, like this. Yeah. No, the other way. Watch my hand motion. Okay. You're gonna put them in the water all the way down. Okay, and now pull towards you. There you go. Now push forward. No, you gotta do it while it's in the air. So now now you want the paddles to go like this. You want the paddle to go like this. Okay? Okay, push down like this. Watch. Push it down. Now push forward. And now pull up and pull. Now push down, push forward, pull up and pull. Yeah.
No, because they were just going to do a playback. It's okay, I got it.
Well, I guess.
that ball? Where's that ball? Right there? Is that the ball? Let's get that ball. Ready? Give me that ball. Good girl. We're gonna go for a ride. You ready? Ready? Here we go. Last ride of the year. On duct tape.
Look at that beauty.
Very nice.
Very
Let me
nice.
snap a picture. All right.